Torrential monsoon rains ravaged neighboring adversaries India and Pakistan this week, with further heavy downpours forecast for this weekend. Nearly 2 million people have been displaced by floods in Pakistan, said Climate Change Minister Musaddiq Malik, the Express Tribune reported. A high flood in the Sutlej River has flooded hundreds of villages in Bahawalnagar, displacing thousands, ARY News reported. The breach of the embankments submerged more than 100 villages and destroyed hundreds of houses. Nearly 10,000 acres of crops and key roads have been washed away, cutting off many areas, ARY News reported. But amid all this devastation and suffering, Pakistan's Defense Minister Khawaja Asif gave a ridiculous statement. Apparently, the Pak Defense Minister has a genius solution to tackle Pakistan's flood crisis. According to his bizarre solution, the people of Pakistan should store the floodwater at their homes in tubs and containers. The Pakistani genius, Khawaja Asif, didn't stop there. He further advised Pakistanis to see this flood in the form of a blessing. The moment his bizarre solution went viral on the internet, it elicited widespread anger amongst netizens. From questioning the Pakistani top brass's intelligence quotient to slamming the country over his comment, netizens took the remark personally. Khawaja Asif's comment comes at a time when persistent monsoon rains are still wreaking havoc in Pakistan. Thousands of residents have been displaced, appealing for urgent relief. Authorities confirmed that more than 150,000 cusecs of water are currently flowing in from Head Sulamanki, intensifying the flood situation. The Provincial Disaster Management Authority said more than 2 million people have been affected, with more than 2,000 villages inundated, Reuters reported. Approximately 760,000 people and 516,000 animals have been evacuated, and at least 33 people have died in less than a week, as per Reuters. The disaster comes at a sensitive moment for Pakistan's fragile economy.